Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Walmart Ibotta haul for you guys. But before I get into these steals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. Okay, you guys, so overall, I am happy with this transaction. I was able to get everything for just 79 cents per item, which is really good compared to what the total price, regularly price for all of these items are, which I am going to tell you guys at the end of the video. But in this Walmart Ibotta haul, I was working towards a bonus, get $7 when you redeem 10 offers. At the time of doing this transaction, I only needed to grab 9 offers because I had already redeemed 1. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first item that I'm going to get started with is going to be these Adele's Cajun style sausages. I hope I pronounced that word right, Adele's. But these are priced at Walmart for $5.32. I completed a survey on BRANDCLUB for $3 back. So $5.32 minus the $3 that I got back from BRANDCLUB, that brought my total down to $2.32. And guys, if you are not using BRANDCLUB, I do have a link in the description box below. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed this package of Love's diapers. This is the size 3, and that is priced at Walmart for $5.47. Ibotta has a rebate for $3 back. So $5.47 minus the $3 from Ibotta brings the total down to just $2.47. And then I went ahead and I purchased 2 of the Renuzi air fresheners, and these are priced at Walmart for 97 cents. So I purchased 2. 97 times 2 is $1.94. Ibotta has a rebate to where you can get $1 back when you buy 2. So $1.94 minus the $1 that you would get back from Ibotta, that will bring your total down to just 94 cents. And then I also got back a 50-cent bonus as well. So 94 cents minus the 50-cent bonus that I got back, that brought my total down to 44 cents for both, or it makes each one just 22 cents. Now I got the 50-cent bonus because you will have to purchase Renuzi's 2 times, but in separate transactions. On your second transaction, that's when you will get the 50-cent bonus. I had already purchased 2 in a previous transaction, so that's why I was able to get that 50-cent bonus. So 44 cents or 22 cents each. And then next up, I grabbed 2 of the Glade air fresheners as well, and these are priced at Walmart for 97 cents. I purchased 2. 97 times 2 is $1.94. Ibotta has a rebate for 97 cents back, so you will pay $1.94. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for 97 cents. That will bring your total down to 97 cents for both, or it'll make each one just 48 cents. And then right here with this Butterfinger candy bar, this is priced at Walmart for 98 cents. Ibotta has a rebate back for 25 cents, so you will pay 98 cents. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for 25 cents, and that will bring your total down to just 73 cents. And then I also grabbed a total of 2 of the Velveeta shells and cheese. This is the original. I grabbed 2 originals, and these are priced at Walmart for $3.43. I purchased 2. So $3.43 times 2 is $6.86. Checkout 51 is giving you $1 back when you buy 2. So $6.86 minus the $1 from checkout 51, that will bring your total down to $5.86. And then Ibotta has a rebate for 75 cents back. The limit is 5, but I purchased 2. So I got back a total of $1.50 from Ibotta. So $5.86 minus the $1.50 from Ibotta that I got back, that brought my total down to $4.36. And then you can submit your receipt to SHOPKICK for 210 kicks, which is equivalent to 84 cents. So $4.36 minus the 84 cents that I got back from SHOPKICK, that brought my total down to $3.52 for both, or it makes each one just $1.76. So you're basically getting 2 boxes for the price of 1. So I also have a link in the description box below for SHOPKICK if you don't have that rebates app as well. And then after that, I went ahead and I purchased 2 of the Butterfinger Bits. And these are priced at Walmart for $2.44. I purchased 2, so $2.44 times 2 is $4.88. Ibotta has a rebate back for $2.24. So you will pay $4.88. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2.24. That will bring your total down to $2.64 for both bags, or it'll make each bag just $1.32. And then I also grabbed 2 of these Blue Diamond honey roasted almonds, and y'all, these are so good. They are absolutely my favorite, and these are priced at my store for $3.48. I purchased 2. So $3.48 times 2 is $6.96. There is a $1 coupon on the coupons.com app. So $6.96 minus that $1 coupon will bring your total down to $5.96. And then Ibotta has a rebate for 25 cents back. The limit is, I think, 5. I purchased 2, so I got back 50 cents from Ibotta. So $5.96 minus that 50 cents that I got back from Ibotta, that brought my total down to just $5.46. And then I got back a 25-cent bonus as well. So $5.46 minus that 25-cent bonus, that brought my grand total down to just $5.21 for both of these, or it makes each one $2.60. So it's not the best deal, but it is still some savings. And plus, like I said, I absolutely love these. So it's up to you if you want to do the deal or not. And let's see here. I also grabbed 2 of these L'Oreal Men Expert hair colors, and these are priced at Walmart for $9.97. I purchased 2. So $9.97 times 2 is $19.94. We have a 6 off of 2 coupon on the coupons.com app. So $19.94 minus the $6 coupon from the coupons.com app, that brought my total down to $13.94. And then Ibotta has a rebate for $5 back. The limit is, I want to say 3. So, but I purchased 2, so I got back $10 from Ibotta. That brought my total down to $3.94. And then SHOPKICK has kicks for $7.25. I think it's 700 buy kicks and 25 scan kicks. So 725 kicks total, which is $2.90. So $3.94 minus the $2.90 from SHOPKICK, that will bring your total down to $1.04. And then you will get back a $2 bonus on Ibotta for purchasing 2. So that makes both of these completely free, you guys, plus a 96-cent moneymaker. So this is by far one of the best deals at Walmart that you guys can get. And then after that, I went ahead and grabbed this soft soap bottle, and this is priced at my store for $5. Ibotta does have a rebates for $1.25 back. So $5 minus that $1.25 rebates, that will bring your total down to $3.75. And then next up, I grabbed this Degree Sheer Powder Women's Deodorant, and that is priced at Walmart for $3.18. SHOPKICK has scan kicks for 30 and 800 buy kicks. So that's a total of 830 kicks, which is equivalent to $3.32. So you will pay $3.18, submit your receipt to SHOPKICK for $3.32, and that will make this deodorant completely free plus a 14-cent moneymaker. Same thing with the Degree Men's Deodorant. It is priced at $3.18. SHOPKICK has 30 scan kicks and 800 buy kicks, which is a total of 830 kicks, which is equivalent to $3.32. So you will pay $3.18, submit your receipt to SHOPKICK for $3.32, and that will make this deodorant completely free as well, plus a 14-cent moneymaker. And then last up, you guys, I went ahead and I grabbed this Nivea Sensitive and Radiant Lotion, and this is priced at Walmart for $5.84. There is a $2 coupon on the coupons.com app. So $5.84 minus that $2 coupon, that will bring your total down to $3.84. And then Ibotta has a rebate for $3 back, which will bring your total down to just 84 cents, which is fantastic, you guys. So this is everything that I grabbed in this transaction, you guys. So now let me go ahead and show you all my receipt. So this is everything that I got, everything rung up at the correct price. As you guys can see, it brought my subtotal to $71.49. That's not including taxes. So $71.49 is the retail price for all of this stuff. From Ibotta, I got back a total of $33.46. I got back $23.71 from the rebates. I got back $7 for reaching my bonus of redeeming 10 offers, $2 back from both of the L'Oreal men, 50 cents back from the Renuzi, and then my 25-cent bonus back from the Blue Diamond. So that's a total of $33.46. So $71.49 minus the $33.46 that I got back from Ibotta, that brought my total down to $38.03. Then coupons.com, I got back a total of $9, $3 from my Nivea, $6 from the L'Oreal men, and then my $1 from the Blue Diamond. So $38.03 minus the $9 from coupons.com. That brought my total down to $29.03. Then I got back my $1 from Checkout 51 for the Velveeta shells and cheese. So that brought my total down to $28.03. And then once I submitted my receipt to SHOPKICK, I got back a total of 2,500 points, 2,500 kicks, which is equivalent to $10. So $28.03 minus the $10 that I got back from SHOPKICK, that brought my total down to $18.03. And lastly, I got back $3 from BRANDCLUB for completing the survey for the Adele's sausages. So that brought my grand total down for everything to just $15.03, you guys. This is a total of 19 items. So when you divide that $15.03 by 19, that makes each of these items just 79 cents. So you guys, again, my grand total came out, well, my subtotal was $71.49. After all of my rebates and rewards back, I paid a grand total of just $15 for this entire transaction. Now that is how you shop. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Share this video with anybody you think it will help. Go ahead and leave me some comments down in the comment section. Let me know what Ibotta bonus you are working towards. Don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. If you're not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points, which is $2. Same thing with Ibotta. If you are not using Ibotta, I will have that linked in the description box below as well, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive $10 when you redeem your first rebate with Ibotta. Also, don't forget, BRANDCLUB is also linked in the description box below, as well as SHOPKICK. Like, I just have all of the rebates linked in the description box below, y'all. So that is going to be it. One last thing, if you are not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me over there. My Instagram name is Saving with Shaniqua. I also will have that linked in the description box below as well. Once again, give me a thumbs up if you haven't already. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.